Today in math, we learned about comparing multi-digit numbers. So here we have three problems that we're going to solve, and we're going to compare each of these numbers. Each of these numbers has multiple digits. We see that in this number, that has a 1, a 7, a 6, and a 3. Each of those are digits within the number. When we are comparing numbers, we need to use a symbol that communicates which number is greater and which number is less. Also, sometimes the numbers are the same, so we're going to use the equal sign. So for this top problem here, we have two numbers. We have 1,763 and 2,534. First thing we want to do is look in the largest place value and compare those digits in that value for both numbers. So in this one, we have a 1 in the thousands place. So what we want to do is look at the next number. We have a thousands place. There's a 2 in the thousands place. So here we can already see that 2 is greater than 1. Once we figure that out, we don't need to look in the hundreds, the tens, or the ones, because the thousands are larger. They are greater than the hundreds, tens, and ones. So this number is automatically greater. So when we do that, we want to use this symbol. You can think of it like an alligator or a dinosaur, where the teeth are there and it wants to eat. It wants to eat the larger number, the greater number. So if this is greater, then this number is less. So whichever way the mouth is not pointing would be less. Here we have 1,781 and 3,689. First thing we want to do is look at the largest place value. Again, it's the thousands place. When we look at it, we see there's a 3 in both thousands place. So for both numbers, there is a 3. So now we want to look in the hundreds place. We move over one place, look in the hundreds. Here we have a 7, and this one we have a 6. Which number is greater, 7 or 6? 7 is the greater number. So again, that'll make that number, 3,781, greater than 3,689. So the symbol will look like that. We want the mouth open towards the greater number. Here we have another problem. We have 4,321 and 4,321. We compare the thousands. There are both 4 in the thousands place. Now we need to move to the hundreds. They're both 3 in the hundreds place. The tens, we have 2s in the tens place. And the ones, we need to compare the ones. And we have 1s in the tens place. So all of these are the same. So these numbers are the same. They're equal. So we're going to use the equal sign. So 4,321 equals 4,321. So here we have 2,534 is greater than 1,763. On this side we have 3,781 is greater than 3,689. And 4,321 equals 4,321.